In round 8, start with 1 chain stitch, then work set of 2 single crochets, 1 increase, 2 single crochets for 6 times. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Work 2 single crochets, 1 increase, and 2 single crochets as one set. Work 2 single crochets. Place a marker in the first stitch. Work 1 more single crochet. Next, work 1 increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Then work 2 single crochets. Work 2 single crochets, 1 increase, and 2 single crochets as one set. Keep working 5 more sets. Let's continue. We have demonstrated 2 sets here. Please finish the rest of 4 sets by yourself. Stress again, work 2 single crochets, 1 increase, and 2 single crochets as one set. 6 sets are done. Finally, work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Round 8 is done. The stitches for rounds 9 to 12 are the same. We'll demonstrate round 9. Please finish rounds 10 to 12 by yourself. In round 9, start with 1 chain stitch, and then work 36 single crochets. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Then work 36 single crochets in total. We need to work 1 single crochet in each stitch. Also remember to mark the first stitch as usual. Let's continue. We have demonstrated 6 single crochets here. Please finish the rest of 30 single crochets by yourself. "36 single crochets are done. Finally, work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Round 9 is done. Please finish rounds 10 to 12 in the same way as round 9. Round 12 is done. Stretch the loop and remove the hook. Take out the safety eye and the green spacer. Put the spacer behind the safety eye and go through it like this. Check the position. We'll insert the safety eyes between rounds 8 and 9. Such a bolt is 1 round, counting from the top. Insert the other eye in the same way, spacing 2 eyes 6 stitches apart. Turn the fabric and put on the safety back pieces. Two eyes are completed. We'll continue crocheting. Put the hook back into the loop and tighten the loop. In round 13, start with 1 chain stitch, then work set off, do some crochets, 1 decrease, do some crochets for 6 times. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Work 2 single crochets, 1 decrease, and 2 single crochets as 1 set. Work 2 single crochets. Also, mark the first stitch. Work 1 more single crochet. Next, work 1 decrease to combine 2 stitches into 1 stitch. A recurring stitch, namely a V shape, has 2 loops. The loop close to us is the front loop. We'll make decrease through the front loops of the next 2 stitches. Pay attention to the needle. Insert hook through the front loops of the next 2 stitches. Okay, there are 3 loops on the hook now. Yarn under the hook and put the yarn through the 2 front loops on hook. There are 2 loops on the hook now. Yarn over the hook and put the yarn through both loops on the hook. 1 decrease is done. Decrease is to combine 2 stitches into 1 stitch. There are 2 ways to make a decrease. Method 1. Insert hook through the front loops of 2 adjacent stitches. The loop close to us is the front loop. Hook the yarn and pull up loop through the 2 front loops on hook. Yarn around the hook and pull through both loops on the hook. That's a decrease. Then work 2 single crochets. Work 2 single crochets, 1 decrease, and 2 single crochets as one set. Keep working 5 more sets. Let's continue. We have demonstrated 2 sets here. Please finish the rest of 4 sets by yourself. Stress again, work 2 single crochets, 1 decrease, and 2 single crochets as one set. 6 sets are done. Finally, work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Round 13 is done.